कितना टाइम निकल गया मेरा जबरदस्ती।
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
गुड मॉर्निंग। ये पूरा हॉटस्पॉट
मैम।
श्योर?
यस मैम।
यस।
Which was the last invitation? लास्ट कौन सा था हरी? अब
मैम मेडिकल सेमिनार अबाउट एड्स।
it was about the
मेडिकल
एड्स।
सेमिनार।
about the silver jubilee celebrations.
नो मैम
मेडिकल
सेमिनार।
मेडिकल सेमिनार।
Okay. So I had sent you the drafted invitation or not?
नो
नो।
मैम।
Drafted वाला मैंने नहीं भेजा था।
नो मैम।
Okay, this I'm going to send it to you. Right now only I'll send it, just see. Twelfth commerce. सब गड़बड़ हो गया आज। देखो बेटा व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पर you might have received. Received?
यस मैम।
Okay. Got it?
यस मैम।
Okay. So now we are going to do a different invitation. Okay. The formal letters in the form of formal letters, you know. Write down the question. You are the director of D capital, Apex, A capital, APEX, Apex Orientations, O capital, ORIENTATIONS, comma. You are the director of Apex Orientations, comma. A leading name in postal coaching, a leading name in postal coaching, for competitive examinations, including IIT, small dash, JEE, including IIT, small dash, JEE, and CBSE dash PMT, all capital letters. PMT means NEET का एग्जाम जो होता है. Full stop. Write letters to the principals. Write letters to the principals. PRINCIPALS, principals of some prestigious schools, inviting the names of two brilliant students, write letters to the principals of some prestigious schools, inviting the names of two brilliant students from each institution to attend their counseling session free of cost. To attend their counseling session free of cost. Free of cost. Written, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, this has to be written in the form of formal letters because it's an invitation, okay, that would be sent to few people. और बाकी जो cards वगैरह पर printed होते हैं, they are sent to many people, okay. Many people समझ गए? चाहे annual function का भी है तो जितने भी parents हैं, है ना, 2000 students के और 100 students के और 1000 students, उनको भेजा जाता है तो it's not possible to write down in the manner of formal letter. समझ में आया? लेकिन जब कुछ लोगों को भेजा जाता है ना, प्रिंसिपल्स को, डायरेक्टर्स को, कई स्कूल्स के, या कोई इंटर स्कूल डिबेट है उसके लिए कोई इंफॉर्मेशन भेजी जा रही है, तो देयर आर लिमिटेड नंबर ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशंस जहां पर ये भेजा जाता है, तो इसलिए उसको फॉर्मल लेटर के फॉर्म में लिखा जाएगा. क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
आ गया
Yes,
बेटा?
yes,
तो ये तो कुछ प्रिंसिपल्स को भेजा जाएगा ना, प्रेस्टिजियस स्कूल्स के. Okay, so it would be sent in the manner of formal letters, right? Write down the address, start writing. What will be the address? Hurry up. Whose address you are going to write down in the beginning?
Sender's address.
Sender's
Sender's
address.
address में सबसे पहले क्या लिखेंगे आप?
The director of.
डायरेक्टर क्यों आएगा बेटा? सेंडर्स की नेम या पोस्ट आती है क्या? एपेक्स है ना, पहले लिखो एपेक्स ओरिएंटेशन. हरी अप, राइट डाउन फास्ट. Apex orientation. Next line. 38 dash A capital, comma, Old Rohtak Road. Old Rohtak Road. O and both the R, first letter, it must be in capital. Old Rohtak Road. Then third, Karol Bagh. K and B capital Karol, Bagh, B capital Bagh. And the last line is New Delhi. N and D capital, New Delhi, smaller, put a small dash and write down the pin code 110005. Written. इसके नीचे आप चाहें तो phone numbers can also be written बेटा. Okay, New Delhi के बाद phone numbers can also be written. Leave a line, write down the date. Written. Again, take a fresh line and write down the principal. The principal. Next line, ABC school. ABC school. You got it? Why ABC school is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? What is the reason, Divya?
Because we don't write the particular name of any
Yes,
school.
you don't have a specific name of the school there in the question, and it has to be sent to many schools, okay? So ABC school and third line Delhi. After this, what are we going to put?
Subject.
Subject.
Okay, write down. And what can be the possible subject? क्या होगा subject?
Counseling session for the student.
इतना बड़े की जरूरत ही नहीं है ऐश्वर्या, लिख लो फ्री काउंसलिंग सेशन. ओके, फ्री काउंसलिंग सेशन. Written. Free counseling session. Fresh line. Sir / madam. Madam or ma'am. Whatever you choose, you can write down. सर लिखना जरूरी है, उसके बाद स्लैश करके मैडम और मैम कुछ भी लिखिए. बी फास्ट बेटा. Written.
Yes, ma'am.
Start writing. Apex Orientation is a leading name in postal coaching. Apex Orientation is a leading name in postal coaching. Is a leading name in postal coaching for competitive examinations. For competitive examinations. Apex Orientation is a leading name in postal coaching for competitive examinations. Full stop. We regard your school. We regard your school as one of the prestigious institutions of Delhi. We regard your school as one of the prestigious institutions of Delhi. Full stop. We shall deem it a personal favor. We shall deem, DEEM. We shall deem it a personal favor if you recommend any two of your brilliant students. We shall deem it a personal favor if you recommend any two of your brilliant students, to attend our OUR, okay, to attend our career, C capital, career counseling, C capital again, and session, career counseling session for IIT-JEE and CBSE PMT, as you have written down in the question, okay? All in caps lock, all in capital, I mean. IIT-JEE, put a small dash, and CBSE, again a small dash, PMT, to be held on to be held on 10th April and 2000, and you know how to write down the years. Okay, 20 and XX cross. Okay, full stop. The participation will be free of cost. The participation will be free of cost. Full stop. Want me to repeat anything? Yes,
No,
Vita.
ma'am.
Everyone?
No, ma'am.
Sumit?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Sachin? सचिन, कभी कभी सचिन के दर्शन हो ही जाते हैं? The day he wakes up early in the morning, okay, then he attends the class, Sachin, otherwise not. Okay, the participation will be free of cost, full stop. Fresh line, kindly send your recommendations. Kindly send your recommendations by the 7th April. By the 7th April and 2000 and those 2x. Leave 1 or 2 lines and write down Ritu Nanda और उसके नीचे लिखिए डेजिग्नेशन डायरेक्टर. ऋतु नंदा और उसके नीचे लिखिए डेजिग्नेशन, लिखिए डायरेक्टर. Written, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It's already time. I'm going to send you more. Okay, on the group I'll send it. Right? You just try to do that question and tomorrow we'll discuss it in the class. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Goodbye and take care,
you,
everyone.
ma'am.
Take care. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.